More than half of applications worldwide are legacy applications, and 80% of legacy applications will be modernized within the next 2 years. Why? Without a great digital experience that's constantly improving, your company will be left behind. Fast, secure, and continuous deployment of great software may be the key to success. But it's not easy to deploy new capabilities or apply new innovations in cloud-native development when your core business applications and software delivery models were built for the pre-cloud era. No matter where you are on your modernization journey, whether you're considering rehosting to public cloud, making the move to containers and Kubernetes, or rewriting legacy applications to cloud native, Red Hat can help. Red Hat has a proven track record of experience, products and services, and an extensive partner ecosystem that's helped thousands of organizations on their modernization journey. We can help you assess where you are today and build a strategy to streamline operations, reduce costs, improve scalability and reliability, lower risk, and allow you to bring new products and services to market faster. If your organization is under pressure to modernize, stay competitive, and increase market agility, but legacy applications are holding you back, contact us to schedule a free discovery session and find out how Red Hat can help you move forward, reduce complexity and cost, and achieve your desired business outcomes for modernization.